I said if I had a big, I must transform it. At present, I have achieved half of the transformation of other people's big. Now we're going to tow it into our garage. Look at this big dusty machine. Under his car. Are there any surprises we didn't expect? This car is over 10 years old. 10 years ago. Big G is far from being a phenomenal social car. There's no forbidden city oil, but seeing the square off-road vehicle in the hearts of many planted an idea to get it. And that includes us. This one, because there is floating soil on the surface of the atmosphere for a long time. The paint has oxidized. When we picked it up, there is also a problem with starting the car. It just depends on its parking time. I think there is still hope. The fault code that appears now, I guess there is a problem with the ignition coil. Plus it has a lot of carbon deposits in the cylinder. In the process of waiting for accessories, we decided to empty the interior first. Ask the devil if he is black. Everyone thinks I'm too poor. The current appearance of this car, it's basically demolished. A helicopter version of the original car. If you smell it close, you can smell an uncomfortable odor. Many old cars last a long time, plus infrequent ventilation. This weird smell. Many car owners encounter this problem. He chose to clean the air conditioner with activated carbon. If it doesn't work, basically because of the asphalt shock board, this section. Now we're going to shovel it all out. Replace with new shock plate. Wash his carpet and soundproofing cotton by the way. These things, it's basically done. Now we're just waiting for the accessories to arrive. Next issue, we are ready to inspect and handle the engine and chassis. I hope we can open ourselves soon. Dream car, good night. simple rinse. It can only remove the floating ash on the surface of the cold row. More time is still spent on dry ice cleaning. To remove oil stains from the chassis and engine surfaces, enjoy getting clean. During the renovation process, we have a lot of time to spend on repairs. Maybe it's because it's been parked for too long. It may also be that the previous owner played too hard. The parts in the car have become too rudimentary. During the inspection just now, except for the carbon deposits in the engine cylinder at the beginning, there are questions. However, the current cleaning in the engine cylinder is more important. There are relatively more problems with the chassis. Horizontal tie rod, side tie rod, chassis ball head self-defense around cracking. Transfer tank rear oil seal, half shaft, outer seeking, dragon sleeve, directional machine tubing, machine footpad sinking. At the same time, this G500 also has the old 273 engine. Common fault of timing solenoid regulating valve, easy to damage. The sealing ring of the cover plate of the air filter box is also cracked. Accessory, it's time to clean the engine. Now we can start replacing it. I don't know his last owner. What did you do with him? And luckily he gave it to me. At present, this big gold has been fully cleaned up. Repaired the faulty chassis. I also removed the previous windshield, by the way. It can be said that in addition to the appearance and paint finish, this G500 is back in peak condition. This big G is basically halfway through his resurrection. The second video is also here. I wish everyone the opportunity to drive their dream car. Good night, but ordinary mounts really can't satisfy him. But this time he came to the right place. I go under your? Because it needs to be repainted. We've dismantled the whole car, except for 5 door panels. There is also a speed limit fuse box module for the whole car. The steering wheel in general, as you can see now, overlay keys for everything in the body, and the connection keys have been dismantled. Only one chassis and frame remain. After dismantling, we have to find a way to separate this. Original 4.4 body and chassis. Also clean the green and gold paint on the door. The fire. My prodigal son. In the process of cleaning the door paint, we found the problem. Originally, this 4*4 was intended to be made into the original factory mirror black paint, so choose the power supply. But the requirements of the film are higher. Reinforcement on the body. Old glue and chassis armor must be removed. He glanced at the paint remover in his hand, and we got into a tough spot. We finally found a car factory. After some deliberation, they can help us understand. Bottom clean body and power surge. So we started to disassemble the body and the chassis, just to see it together. What does a 4.4 chassis with only 4 wheels look like? car has now been separated, preparing for the movie. We got rid of it, all the brackets and picks on the hull. After removing the gear shift module, after solving the problem of locked P gear, pushed the chassis out of the workshop, finally got the hull out. That's all. We are ready to embark on the 700-kilometer film road. And here we are at the depot, but it's getting late. We all need a good rest. See you in the next movie. I hope we can all drive the car of our dreams. Good night, high concentration paint remover and sanding sandblasting. Our ultimate goal is to make everyone's car shell. Only a layer of iron remains. Electricity can only be used in this state. Many riders and luxury cars pursue the original paint, but because of the paint surface sprayed later, because of the spray gun, the quality of the paint, the off-plan environment has various effects. There will be more or less paint spots and color difference on the paint surface. Peeling may occur in the future. The paint thickness of the whole vehicle is also difficult to maintain consistency. So this time, we choose the way that is closest to the original factory, to redo the paint finish of the whole car on the street. Back to the movie, and the way it works is that there's a positive current going through the car. Let the negative electrode material and the electric swimming absorb to the surface of the car shell. You can understand it as this car shell. There are paint packages in all aspects. See the car wrapped in a gray electrophoretic layer. We can now take this car home. Finishing electrophoresis is just the beginning. We also need to build on the electrophoretic layer. Spray on 2-component midway primer. This 404 has finally changed from its original golden green. Became what it is now, without any decoration or restraint. Generous display in front of you. The entire car shell is not only a product on the assembly line, it's like a work of art integrated into modern industry. I guess that's the charm of cars. But we can't keep the owners waiting too long. We're going to give him a skin. The square box shape of the big can handle any color. But the old car comes in 2 colors and can't be avoided. One is silver, and the other is black. Now we're going to clean up the chassis, restore this car, fill the car with the speed limit. These 2 pieces, it took us almost a week. So it's really not that we update slowly. It's a bit of a lot of work. After the speed limit is installed, it is the installation of common interior and cover keys. This time, the owner has changed fewer interiors and accessories, so most accessories only need to be cleaned. Then install it. This is a lower difficulty level, but the process that tests our patience. But after all, it's more comfortable for me to look directly. Your forehead has your courage. You always say that it's hard to watch videos in sections, but this time we will do it all at once. Let's take a look at the quality. The brand new Mercedes-Benz G5004*4 square bar. Keep playing with fire.